the objectives of this video is the explanation of longitudinal stresses. Unlike the previous video that I've shown you, where we had hoop stresses, our cylindrical pipe was open at both ends. On the contrary, in this video, if we examine this pipe, it has the same radius and the same thickness. However, both sides are closed. Okay, they're sealed off. Okay. Now, since the pipe is closed at both ends, unlike the previous one, it also experiences longitudinal stresses. If you look at this little element cut out from the pipe, you can see the vertical stresses, and these are called the longitudinal stresses. There are also hoop stresses present, but their nature is altered. Why is the nature altered? Just due to the fact that the cylinder is sealed off. Okay, this changes the action and the effect of hoop stresses on the cylinder. However, this change is a very complex phenomenon, and we don't really consider it in this course because it's a very difficult concept, and so we keep our hoop stresses as examined before, and they remain at and it equals to the pressure times radius over the thickness. Okay, so what do we have next? Next we have, how do we work out the longitudinal stresses acting on a cylinder? Well, we use the same analogy, and that is using the concept of vertical equilibrium. Okay, so if we look at this cylinder here and we take a free body diagram and we cut it out, okay, we can see at the top sealed end the longitudinal stresses are acting